Let me break this down. This is going to hurt a lot of people's feelings, all right? Most couples have a dynamic. There's the woman, right? There's the man, all right? The woman needs all these things. I know men that have started businesses, but because they don't spend enough time with their wife, she complains. But then she wants to spend the money that the business makes. And the guy's in between because he's like, either I make money for my family and my business, or I spend more time with my wife and I make less money. But then she complains when she doesn't have what she wants. But then she complains when she doesn't have enough time with me. This is the dynamic of the working man, all right? And everyone goes through it. So in turn, me and my wife started a business together. So we're holding hands in this. See? Those are hands. But me and my wife are holding hands. Her birthday is blessed. We go out to dinner. She gets a nice pair of earrings. Don't get me wrong. She had a great birthday. She has a nice time. But then it's 8 o'clock at night and we have to put the kids to bed. She puts our kid to bed. So our one kid goes to bed. She goes off to bed with the kid. It's 8 o'clock at night. I'm sitting there alone. I go on live stream on her birthday. All right. So take a deep breath. She also is part of the business. To her, she loves the business. We are one. We are the business. Every day is a day to make money in the business. Every day is a day to push forward. Every day is a day to progress. There's no day to sit back and relax and do nothing. I don't care if it's a birthday, Christmas. We're in this together to make it happen. All right?